What is the aim of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? Answer: to provide financial support to the farmers through crop insurance coverage. What are the mandatory documents required for enrollment under PMFBY or RWBCIS? Answer: land record, bank passbook and Aadhaar. Are tenant farmers and women farmers eligible for crop insurance under PMFBY? Answer: yes. Which crops are typically sown at the beginning of the first monsoon rains and its harvesting season begins from the third week of September to October? Answer: Kharif crop. For how many districts did DGCA give approval to Ministry of Agriculture to fly drones to assess yield of crops under PMFBY? Answer: 100 districts. Issue of the notification to invoke the provision of prevented sowing and failure of sowing or planting or germination is done by state or UT nodal department. What is the full form of KCC, Kisan Call Center? What is the name of mobile app launched by GOL for crop loss intimation for localized calamities and post-harvest losses? Pradhan Mantri Fasal Insurance. Within how many days loss assessment can be completed in case of post-harvest losses? 15 days. The thrust of the PMFBY mission is to empower the male farmer and female farmer both. What document can be submitted by tenant farmer for availing crop insurance? Correct answer not known. Minimum interest rate on Kisan credit card starts is 2%. Which crops are covered under PMFBY and RWBCIS scheme? Food and oilseed crops and annual commercial or horticultural crops. What are notified crops which are notified by any major crop sown in the area? What are centralized call centers for farmers called? Kisan call centers.